Going to the fridge to get something to eat.
Did you go to the fridge to get something to eat?
Yes, I went to grab a sandwich.
Was it good?
It was great, but I'm still a little hungry.
Why don't you grab a piece of fruit too?
Good idea, I'll do that now.
Going to the wardrobe to choose clothes.
Did you go to your wardrobe to choose something to wear?
Yes, I went there this morning.
Did you find anything you liked?
Not really. I feel like I have nothing to wear.
That's how I feel sometimes too.
Maybe it's time to go shopping.
Going to the kitchen to put dishes in the dishwasher.
Did you go to the kitchen to put the dishes in the dishwasher?
Yes, I went right after dinner.
That's good. Was the dishwasher already full?
Almost, but I managed to fit everything in.
Perfect. Now you don't have to do them by hand.
Exactly.
Going to the kitchen to get water.
Did you go to the kitchen to get a drink of water?
Yes, I went there a few minutes ago.
You must have been thirsty.
I was. Drinking water always helps.
It's important to stay hydrated.
Absolutely.
Going to the kitchen to do the dishes.
Did you go to the kitchen to do the dishes?
No, I didn't go. I'll do them later.
You always say that. When will you actually do them?
I promise after dinner tonight.
All right, but don't forget this time.
I won't.
Going to visit a relationship psychologist.
Did you go to a relationship psychologist to speak about your marital problems?
Yes, we went last week for our first session.
How did it go?
It was helpful, but it's just the beginning.
That's a great first step. Are you going back?
Yes, we have another appointment next week.
Going to the washing line to hang out the laundry.
Did you go to the washing line to hang out the laundry?
Yes, I went out this morning.
Was the weather good for drying?
Perfect. It was sunny with a light breeze.
That's great. The clothes will dry quickly.
Exactly.
Going to the countryside for a picnic.
Did you go to the countryside? Did you take a picnic with you?
Yes, we went yesterday and it was wonderful.
What did you pack?
Sandwiches, fruit and some juice. Simple but tasty.
That sounds lovely. Did you take any photos?
Yes, I'll show you later.
Going to the harbour and sailing on your boat.
Did you go out to the harbor? Did you go out on your sailing boat?
Yes, I went this morning. The weather was perfect.
Did you enjoy it?
Absolutely. The sea was calm and it was so relaxing.
That sounds amazing. Did you go alone?
No, a friend came with me.
An eagle going to America.
Did the eagle go to America?
Yes, it went there during its migration.
That's incredible. How far do they travel?
Thousands of miles, sometimes over oceans.
Nature is amazing, isn't it?
It really is.